Rimac, the Croatian electric hypercar makers have a new hypercar in their fleet, the Rimac Nevera. The car boasts a 120 kWh battery and 4 motors setup. The car produces a humongous 1914 horsepower and 2,360 Nm of earth-bending torque. The Nevera can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 1.85 seconds, and can reach speeds of up to 256 miles an hour. Rimac Nevera is the fastest accelerating car in the world. Prices starts around $2.4 million. Only 150 units will be made. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.